Welcome back. Yeah, I want to update you guys on something I've been talking about on my previous videos about how I basically ruined my OEM wheels by taking it to a garage shop to swap out some spacers. Let me get to that story. All right, we're in the garage. There's the wifey's car. In fact, believe it or not, this car has been through quite a few things. Yeah, that's a whole nother story. But hey, Kies Motorsports actually, see if this door opens. Yes. Supplied this carbon fiber interior trim. Ain't that cool? And look at this. Even the shifter knob is carbon. Pretty dope. So yeah, I want to give that a little nugget. But yeah, if you got a Porsche Macan, hit up Kies Motorsports and tell them you saw this video and tell them you want the carbon fiber trim for your Macan. Easy install and yeah, pretty fun. But that's not the point of this video. Just want to throw in that little nugget. But yeah, so I had a situation where I was trying out these spacers on my car. Now, granted, I had gotten my car corner balanced, height adjusted for the track. Now, when I did that, I didn't have my spacers on. I should have done it with the spacers on because then they would have calculated, you know, the fenders and scraping, wheel well being, you know, scuffed up and all that stuff, but they didn't do that. So, well, I didn't do that, not them. They did their job right. But when I added the spacers, obviously it stuck the wheel out a little bit more. So yeah, I put the spacers on, had the car fully loaded, and I was riding my OEM wheels, and it looks like the car was so heavy that I was just scraping the wheel well. So what I did is I took it to a random little tire shop. I told the dude, just be careful, unbolt my wheels, take off the spacer, put it back on, I'll pay you, we're done. But he did it with a air torque gun, and those things are so heavily compressed that they over-torqued the lug nuts. Now, we can talk about the quality of the lug nuts, quality of the stud, whatever it is. At the end of the day, they were pretty hard to remove, and I had to suffer the consequences. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Check it out, Brian. We've definitely made some leeway here.
Yet alone, we drove around with the wheel loose. I can see it, it's fucked in there.
So these are the OEM that came out of my BMW G82 factory, and they're fun. I actually take them to a track, and they have seen some better days, 100%. If I show you the rear, yeah, they're pretty scary. But this is what happened. Look at this. Yep, all scuffed up. You see those damages? Yeah, that's me and another shop trying to find a way to extract a broken lug. This one's cool. This one is fine. So the one I received, I mean, they all have some scuffs at the end of the day, but this one has seen better days. Yeah, I almost lost this wheel, and thank God my buddy Matt and his shop, they took care of it. You can see there's stuff linked right here. But yeah, he took care of it, extracted it without a problem, even replaced the hub. So let me talk about that. So the wheel hub did receive some damage because of the vibrations of myself and the mechanic trying to extract these lugs. And it did penetrate, it did scuff it up, and the mechanic did not want to recommend that I use the car out on the track with this messed up hub. Safety is number one, and we did it. We swapped out the wheel hub. So it costed me a bit of money. I did lose, the wheels do work, but I messed them up. Obviously I could bolt them, but they're just so scuffed up. So what I'm gonna do is actually use these for showcase. So I'm thinking of painting them a color. Let me know what your thoughts are, what colors you recommend. I am a big fan of like this dark bronze, not overly top gold, but like a dark bronze, because bronze and green work really well. So that's my goal. I'm gonna get them repainted for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna do a reveal very soon. Very soon. Yeah, I'm gonna do a reveal very soon. So stay up to date, follow the channel if you're new. I do a lot of BMW modifications. This is my third BMW, but yeah, I'm excited for these wheels. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. What color should I get? White was an option. Chrome, I'm not a big chrome guy, but I do, or I could just stay with black. and see how that goes. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.